Bonus points, you can do a wheelie over that.
You handed? Can I do that?
As long as you're first, JP. I'll follow your lead.
No, I'm not the wheelie guy. That's
Pinky swear.
Paul Ritchie, if you've ever ridden with him. He's a wheelie master.
All right, for Mark's benefit, we're queuing up for a glamour shot.
Glamour shots. Tuck your assholes away.
We're doing Mark videos.
Yep. We're calling them tribute videos.
It's the Mark's Not Here vlog.
Yep.
Yeah,
This is what you're missing, Mark.
exactly. Say hello to everybody.
Ding, ding. Down in the hole. Off to your left. Nope. Don't cut it out. Good. Everything's good.
So we're on Airy, doing most of the climbing now. So we'll take too much video here.